Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a pair of shorts with a back pocket. They should fit 14-inch, 15-inch, and even some 16-inch dolls. That's 35 to 41 centimeters. Like your Hearts for Hearts girls and similar sized dolls. But these shorts will also fit some bigger dolls, like the vintage Crissy dolls and the slender 18-inch, 46 centimeter BFC ink dolls. Before we begin, please go to shelleywood.com to download and print this free pattern. If you look in the description below this video on YouTube, there will be a link that's helpful. Use your pattern to cut out all the pieces you see there, fold the pocket piece in half, and sew along two sides of the pocket. I have a little clip showing me sewing along the sides of the pocket so you understand what I mean by on the sides of the pocket. Clip your corners and invert the pocket. And again, here's a little video clip that shows me doing that. Tuck the raw edges inside the pocket. Here you see me tucking those raw edges inside, and then I will insert a little needle so we can begin to whip stitch the pocket's open end so that it gets closed off. Here I am doing the whip stitch, but if you need help with the whip stitch, I have a video tutorial for that. Just look in the description below. Use your pattern to help you align the pocket. And again, I'm showing you how you might do that. A light box helps a lot, but a window works too. Pin the pocket in place and then sew it to the shorts on three sides. So if you look at this, you can kind of see the three sides, but I've also got a video showing me sewing it on three sides. Lay one of the shorts pieces over the other, keeping right sides together if you have a fabric that has a right and wrong side. So here you see me doing that. Sew these shorts together along the out seam. And again, here's a little video clip to show me doing that. Clip this seam and then open it. Here I am clipping, opening, and then I press the seam open with an iron. Only one side of your shorts will have a pocket, so follow the same steps without the instructions for the pocket to create the other leg of the shorts. Set the no pocket leg on top of the pocket leg, and again you want right sides together if you have a fabric that has a right and wrong side. Sew one of the crotches, just one, and that's going to make a sort of a J shape like the letter J in the alphabet. Clip the crotch and open the shorts. Here I am clipping. Now your shorts should look like this if you stretch them out. We're going to create a 1 centimeter wide casing. So you do that by folding just a little bit and then a 1 centimeter wide waist. Here I am sewing that 1 centimeter wide, but if you need a little bit of help on how to do a casing, I actually have a tutorial for that too. Just look in the description below this video on YouTube. Double fold hem one leg at the bottom. Here I'm showing you how to do the double fold. Hem both legs with that 1/4 inch. It's about 6 millimeters double fold hem, and you can see me doing that. I usually do my hems by hand using a whip stitch, but for this one I did it on the sewing machine. Either way's fine. Now your shorts look like this. Now note, a hem can be done with a machine or by hand, but the trick is to make sure that both hems are equal in length. That's one of the reasons why I do it by hand a lot. Measure your doll's waist for elastic. Cut a length of 1/4 inch or 6 millimeter wide elastic to fit your doll's waist nice and snugly. Attach a safety pin to one end of your elastic, and then send the elastic through the garment's casing. Use straight pins to hold the elastic in place. And again, I have a video tutorial that shows you all about casings if you need a little bit of help. You can see I'm inserting straight pins as I go to hold that elastic in place. Then you remove the safety pin, and then you fold it in half. So you're going to bring the unsewn crotches together and then sew them from the waist to the center of the crotch. Again, you're making that J shape. And here I am doing that. Now you're going to clip this crotch like you did the other crotch. And then fold your shorts, bringing those crotches together. So you can see me doing that, and I used a little slower video for this so you can really see how this is done. The crotches come together. They need to be the same length, and then you stitch across the crotch. If they're not the same length, you might need to go back and redo one of your hems. Invert the shorts. And now you're ready to try them on your doll. For more free printable sewing patterns, for dolls of many shapes, and to fit all different sizes, remember to visit my website, shelleywood.com. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and my free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you spread the word. Goodbye.